For this week's head-tail exploration, I decided to take inspiration from my struggles with our flat back series that we did during class this week and connect it to the head-tail exercise that I normally use to connect, which is the cat-cow series from yoga. And I decided to connect it more directly to a flat back. And doing this exercise, I found a lot more length between my head and my tail in using imagery as resistance. So we're gonna start in a not as wide second parallel position with our arms up, using the Horton that we know, a small amount, and we're gonna take that into a flat back, and from there we're gonna imagine that there is a rubber band going around our body completely, connecting in the pelvic floor and also at the very top of the head. And with that imagery, we're going to pretend that someone is grabbing that rubber band from the top band at the lowest part of the thoracic and pulling that up, and the motion of that pulling up will connect the head and the tail, will initiate the head and the tail to move towards each other, like this band is getting shorter and this band is growing longer, connecting the head tail and making a contraction. From that contraction, we're going to resist the pull from up here and start initiating from the head and the pelvic floor and pulling each of those back into the flat back position. We're going to do that 4 times, and then we're going to come back up, and then we're going to do it 4 more times, come back up, 4 more times. So that's 3 reps. And yes, that's all I want to say about that. So I'm going to do the exercise. So before I do the second set, I do want to mention that I am using breath to connect this when the rubber band imagery is coming and pulling up from the thoracic. I'm breathing in, and then I'm breathing out in the opposite imagery. Number 2. Okay, so from what I learned from doing that as many times as I did is that I need to reconsider the amount of times that I do it, as I was getting a lot from the first time I did it, and then as I progressed through the reps that I've been doing and through doing the exercise as much as I have, I was experiencing a lot of pain and a lot of weakness in my core and in my lower back. But I feel like doing it once and doing it several times throughout the week will benefit the head-tail connection, as well as finding length through the flat back.